How to remove watermark in CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark in CapCut. To remove the CapCut watermark from your videos, first of all, you'll need to open your CapCut application on your mobile device, and here you will need to start a new project or open an existing one that contains the video you would like to edit. Tap on the existing one from the project section and then you will be taken to the editing space. Here you will need to swipe to the left at the end of this timeline where you will see a separate clip with the CapCut logo. This is the watermark. Now to remove it, you will need to simply tap on the watermark clip and then tap on the delete icon or the trash can at the bottom of the screen to remove it. Now after deleting this watermark, you can tap on the export button in the upper right corner and then save your video. Also, after saving your video, you will be able to see the watermark icon at the top right, left or bottom right and left on your video. If you want to remove it, then you will need to first come to this editing space and then you will need to simply select the resolution at the very top. And from the screen here, you will need to tap on this watermark option and then here you will be able to see the visible option. Currently it is select to visible, hence you will be able to see the CapCut icon or the watermark in your video. Now to remove it, simply tap on this hidden option. Once selected, now you will be able to remove the watermark. Also note that if you are using the free version, you will have the limited number of chances in order to remove the watermark. If you would like to use this feature for more videos, then you will need to subscribe to the pro version of CapCut. Here I still have 2 uses left, so I am able to remove the watermark this time. Tap on the hidden option and once after doing that, tap on the export button at the top right in order to save this video. Now the video will be saved without the watermark. In some case, you'll also be able to choose export without watermark option at the bottom in order to remove the watermark. Also, if you are using the free version and you have uses of this hidden watermark, then you can delete the watermark. For that, you can crop it out by selecting your video clip and using the cropping tool to adjust the frame so that the watermark is not visible. Alternatively, you can also cover the watermark by adding stickers or use mask effects available in CapCut. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove watermarks in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.